Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a very quick and easy recipe. It's called fresh arugula salad. It's excellent for this time of the year when you have fresh tomatoes and peaches readily available. Arugula greens are known for its distinctly bright and peppery and nutty flavor. This is packed with vitamins such as vitamin A, C, and K, and it has lots of calcium and potassium in it, which makes it a very healthy choice. And the flavor combination in this salad might be something you would see in a high-end restaurant. And both of my recipe books are available on Amazon, and I provided a quick link in the description below this video. Okay, so let's get started with today's recipe. Like I said, this is going to be super quick and easy. You start by washing and preparing some arugula and put it on your plate, and you add as much as what you think you need depending on whether you're doing it for one person or several people. And then you simply add slices of fresh peaches and fresh tomatoes. The fresher the better. If they're in season, they'll be nice and sweet, and it will just complement this super well. Now give it a generous sprinkle with some salted pistachios. When you slice your peaches, you can do it with the skin still on. If you do that, then make sure you wash them really well. Or you can peel the skin off of the peaches before slicing them. And then I add balsamic vinaigrette dressing. You can use whatever brand you want or make your own. Now I give it kind of a sparse sprinkle of vinaigrette dressing because I don't want to overpower it. I want to be able to taste those fresh peaches and fresh tomatoes and be able to taste that arugula as well. I want that nutty flavor to come through. And who doesn't love the taste of a salted pistachio? I didn't add it today, but you can slice some red onion and add a little bit of that too. Let me show you the next video I'm going to be putting out. It's for chicken parm, and it's chicken parm meatballs. It's an awesome dish, and it pairs really well with this salad. So stay tuned and watch the next video coming up soon. So now just wanted to say thank you for watching today's video. Thanks for subscribing and for your comments in the comment section. And until next time, happy eating.